YouTube, it's your boy Chef Timmy Jay, and I've got a question. Do you want to stop spending all that time in the kitchen? Well, this 20-minute chicken pasta is a quick dinner recipe, and it's totally simple. All of you can do it. It's perfect for those busy weeknights. So without any further ado, let's get to cooking. All right, family, so let's go over the ingredients for today's recipe. What I have here is about 4 cups of water. You can use 4 cups or even 6 cups depending on how much pasta you want to make. In the back here, I've got our pasta. I'm actually using linguine. I had it from a previous recipe, so this is probably about 4 ounces of linguine that I have here. You can use more or less. And then I've got about a pound of chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts, it really doesn't matter, just whatever type of chicken that you have. So I've got those chicken breasts. And then for seasonings, all we need for seasonings, folks, is I've got some smoked paprika that's right here on the top. I've got some ground black pepper. I've got our parsley flakes, and then of course we've got some garlic powder. Garlic powder is really good. I can also add just a little bit of salt to this as well. It just depends on you. It's really easy, really simple. So let me get you over to the stove so we can take a look and see how our water is starting to boil. All right, fam, so we're over at the stove and I've already added our water to the pot. I added just a pinch of salt, and we want to make sure that we brought our water to a boiling temperature, which it is there. You can definitely see that they're boiling. And so I've got about a serving. This is a serving of my linguine noodles, and I'm gonna add that to this boiling water. If you have a larger family or more people, you can definitely add more than just a serving, but this is all I need for now. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna break mine in half, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add those noodles to the pot. And what we want to do is we want to let those noodles boil for at least about 5 to 7 minutes, because we want our noodles to be al dente. And then once our noodles are al dente, we will then add our chicken back to the pot. We'll take out the water. I'll probably save a little bit of this water because I'll show you how we can use that to make it nice and creamy pasta. So I'll let this get to boiling, and when I return, we'll continue the process. So we're here at the skillet, and of course, as always, I always tell you, make sure you have a hot skillet, and then you're gonna add any kind of cold oil. And this is when you have cast iron, or even if you're wok searing, it works really well. So I'm gonna grab about 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Again, you can use whatever oil you want, but I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna squirt that into our cast iron skillet. There's 1, there's 2. And then what we want to do is, as always, I say make it dance. And I'm just gonna wiggle this around, just coating it all over our cast iron skillet. Now, what I have done, I've already chopped up that chicken. I've cubed it up. I've already added our paprika, our garlic, all of our seasonings. I've done that. And so here's what that looks like in this bowl. If you can see that, I've already got that seasoned up. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that chicken and I'm gonna drop it into the pan. And we wanna just spread out our chicken. And the key here is we don't wanna overcrowd our pan. Again, this is an easy, quick dinner recipe. You make it in less than 20 minutes. You want to make sure that you cook your chicken for at least about 7 to 8 minutes. You can break it up into 4 minutes on one side and 4 minutes on the other side, but you want to make sure that your chicken is cooked really well. We always know that chicken should always be at approximately 165 degrees because I don't need anyone getting sick. So I'm not gonna talk too much, but I'm gonna let you guys listen and watch the cooking process. And guys, when I return, I'll have this chicken flipped over, and then I'll show you how we pull it out. We're gonna add our pasta and everything back to this one pan, and then there we should have it. Also, I almost forgot, folks. If you have not hit that like and subscribe button, please hit and subscribe. I really need your support. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Definitely hit that notification bell and follow my channel. So see you in just a moment, folks. Take a look at that, YouTube. So we've definitely cooked it again for about 5-7 minutes on each side. Our chicken looks amazing. It's definitely at 165. And so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this from our pan. And all of that goodness that's down in there, we definitely need that. That is flavor. So I'm just taking a bowl and removing our chicken from the pan. Now that I've done that, what we will then do is, remember that water, YouTube, that I said was a game changer? We're actually gonna take that water and I'm gonna pour it into our pan and I'm gonna deglaze, because all of this fusion, I'm just mixing it around and all of that is nothing but flavor. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna grab our noodles and I'm gonna put our noodles back in the bowl. And this is what we want. I'm just taking the noodles, putting those noodles back in there. And then the chicken that we remove, YouTube, I'm gonna take that chicken and we're gonna add that chicken right back to the pan. Bam! There it is. All of that goodness and all of that flavor just infuses down in here, and this makes it nice and creamy. Just look at that, YouTube. Take a look at that, folks. That is what you want. This is a creamy, amazing chicken pasta quick dinner recipe. And I'm gonna tell you, hey, I like to get funky with it, so I'm gonna take some of those same seasonings that we had a little bit earlier. I like the paprika. I'm gonna add some more paprika in here. So there's no specific measurement. You just go as you like. Add a little paprika on there. I'm gonna add a little bit more black pepper. Throwing that black pepper on there because I like black pepper. And then of course I'm gonna add just a little bit more salt. Really simple. You can get funky with it, folks. You can add as little or as less as you like. It is totally up to you. But again, this is a creamy, amazing pasta. Got that seasoned up the way I like it. And what I will do when I return, I'll get this plated up and we're gonna sample this, because I'm telling you guys, this quick dinner recipe is easy and you all can do it. Be right back. Okay, so let's get this all plated up. And this again, YouTube, quick, easy dinner recipe for your busy weeknights. Wow, this is amazing. That is hot. And I'm trying not to burn myself, YouTube. And of course, let's do a little bit of a pro tip. What I'm gonna do is I'm also going to add some parsley to this, YouTube. So we need that nice color. So I'm adding that parsley on there. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Add more or less, however you like. Oh my goodness, that looks good. And then YouTube, what I'm looking for now is I have a lemon. And so I'm gonna take some lemon and I'm gonna add just a little bit of lemon. So here's my lemon, YouTube. I'm just gonna squeeze that lemon. This is my food. You can do it with it or you cannot do it, but I wanna add that lemon just all over here, YouTube family. And that's what you want. That's what you like. Just take a look at that, folks. This is just beautiful. Just look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, you know you want to have it. You know you want to have it. No, I want it. Oh, this is great, YouTube. This is great. And so let me get my fork. And I've got a fork here. And so we're going to mix this up. That chicken is cooked really well, YouTube family. This just looks totally amazing, YouTube. I'm trying to bring it close to you so you can see it. This is amazing. It's beautiful food. This is definitely the way we want it. Oh, it's hot. Oh, try not to burn myself. So just look at that twist. Let me give you some, YouTube. Okay, YouTube, this is yours. This is yours. All right, now it's my turn. Oh my goodness. Here it is. I'm going in, I'm going in. Amazing, you can definitely taste all of the flavors. This is really good. I gotta take another bite. Put it back so you can have it. Again, YouTube, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. This is Chef Timmy Jay. I love you all and have a great day. Peace.